Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm unboxing Nutribullet 900 series. This is the new food processor. It's an old model, but it's a new version with the extra accessories. If you are going for that, it is special on few of the stores in Sydney. If you are going to buy that, make sure that you are going to buy this mega pack because it has quite a few extra accessories which you don't need to buy otherwise, and also this motor is now more powerful. I like this processor because of this compact size, and you can place it anywhere in your kitchen or anywhere else. But as far as the other Nutribullets are concerned or other Ninja are concerned, they are quite big and bulky, and it's very hard to store those bigger one jars and all that. So I hope you will like this video. I will show you the what's inside the box and what's the special in this package. So this is pretty much inside the box. This mega pack has Nutribullet, and this mega pack has some extra cups and lids. So these are the cup rings and cup lids, and there are 3 cups, and this is the Nutribullet machine and plus the base. So it comes with the 1-year warranty, and it's on special at most of the stores in Sydney. If you are health conscious, just go and grab it. It's a good offer. And in the end, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.